1 trillion pesos. That is the GDP of Laguna in 2023 as reported by the PSA.
And one of the main locations ng growth na ito is Santa Rosa.
At ngayong 2025, ano nga ba ang mga dapat nating abangan at i-expect ng mga upcoming developments? And what does this mean to you as a real estate investor?
Tignan natin ang mga upcoming developments. Schools, roadways, malls, commercial districts, and residential developments.
Tara, samahan nyo kami. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating starting point sa Soledad 1. Arguably the most iconic mall here in Santa Rosa. I can still remember my memories here. Dati, Soledad 1 lang. Pero ngayon, meron na tayong Soledad 1, 2, and 3.
It's always a treat pag pumunta ang family members ko dito. It's a fun place kasi they offer so much here. The brands, foods, entertainment, and the activities.
I'm sure you also have your unforgettable memories here. Comment down below.
Last year, 2024, dito ginanap ang Coca-Cola Drone Show. At kilala ang Ayala Malls sa mga concerts and events. Marami nang nag-perform and in the vicinity, there's so much space to accommodate people and ang ganda din ng area to be honest. Ngayon naman ay in-expand ang mga parking spaces. Isa sa mga common na nangyayari is nagkakaubusan talaga ng parking spaces here. Hindi na tayo stranger dyan. Well yes, inconvenient, pero isa to sa mga signs na ang real estate ay booming in the area dahil may foot traffic.
Soledad is one of the best places to take your family on a weekend. Hindi lang kayo ang mag-e-enjoy dito, pati yung children nyo. I'm sure doble ang saya pag dito kayo pumunta. And speaking of your children, you might want to consider this school for your children's education.
UST is one of the biggest schools in the Philippines. And kung hindi mo pa alam, ito ay darating na dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Nakikita nyo ba yung crane na yon? Doon itatayo ang pinakabagong building na tinatawag na William Bello Interdisciplinary Research Institute in this rising UST Santa Rosa campus.
If you don't know William Bello, siya ang founder ng Wilcon Depot. And he is one of the top 50 richest people in the Philippines. And he says that the vision of this building is to provide a setting for professors and students to work in synergy together.
Meron pang ginagawang bagong lagusan na tatagos from New Valley sa may side ng Vista na going to Eton District. Speaking of access roads sa mga biyahero natin sa New Valley, I'm sure you will definitely like our next update. This is the New Valley Flyover. Maraming nag-aabang dito sa flyover na to, especially yung mga biyahero natin from Silang to Laguna or vice versa. Pero ano nga ba talagang special about this flyover? Pwede pa rin naman kaming dumaan sa Calax. Well, simple lang naman.
This flyover will be convenient sa mga biyahero para hindi na sila tatawid pa sa Nuvali intersection. And it directly leads to Broadfield, which is being positioned by Ayala as the BGC of the South. This is set to be open on the first quarter of 2025.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and in YouTube. These are just some of the big updates here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Meron pa tayong mga paparating na videos, much more significant pa. My name is Amor Almugera and I'm Mr. Own That Property, and see you on our part 2.